Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can claim and withdraw your Hamster Kombat token successfully into your Bybit account. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your Bybit exchange account to your Hamster Kombat mining bot so that you can be able to receive your Hamster Kombat token during the airdrop. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to come over to your Hamster Kombat mining bot on Telegram. As you can see here, this is the interface of the Hamster Kombat mining bot. This is the home page. So guys, now after that, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see airdrop. You can see the airdrop icon there on the right hand side below. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to scroll downward. So let me scroll downward. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see withdraw. You can see there on the right hand side the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. That's where we're going to choose our withdrawal option. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the list of withdrawal options that we have here. You can see the exchanges that we have here and the wallets. You can see we have Binance Exchange, OKX, Bybit wallet in Telegram, EBI Exchange, on-chain airdrop. So guys, now the option you have to go for is the third option, which is Bybit Exchange, because that's the reason for this tutorial, how you can actually withdraw and claim your Hamster Kombat successfully into your Bybit account. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. But guys, before I go ahead now to tap on it, you can see where it is written KYC needed. So guys, before you go ahead now to choose Bybit as your withdrawal option, make sure you've actually done your KYC. KYC means know your customer. So make sure Bybit knows you already. Make sure you've done your identity verification. If you have not done your identity verification on Bybit, don't go ahead to do this. Make sure your account is first of all verified. Make sure you verified your identity on Bybit before you can go ahead to choose it as your withdrawal option. It's actually important. It's an important information. If you fail to do your identity verification, if you fail to do your KYC, you might as well be losing or saying goodbye to your Hamster Kombat token. So guys, now let me tap on it already. What do you have to do is tap on Bybit. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written here. Do you have a Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive your Hamster Kombat token. So guys, now I will show you guys how to do that. What you have to do now is to tap on where you can see yes, I have it. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, register. So let me scroll downwards now. So guys, now you can see the requirement that is needed for you to actually successfully link your Bybit account to your Hamster Kombat mining bot. You can see the first requirement right there, your Bybit UID, which is your Bybit user ID. You can see the second requirement, your Hamster Kombat deposit address, and the third one is your Hamster Kombat deposit memo. That means your Hamster Kombat deposit tag. So guys, I've already gotten all of these requirements. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to paste it. But guys, in case you don't have to get all of this, like your Bybit UID, your Hamster Kombat deposit address, and your memo, you don't have to bother yourself. I've already made dedicated videos on this, on how you can actually get all of this. So what you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video, or you can go to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the links to those videos that will teach you how you can get this. So what you have to do is to tap on the links. They'll be able to watch and learn how you can get this. So guys, that being said, let me go ahead now to impute my Bybit UID, my Hamster Kombat deposit address and memo, so that we can see the end of this. Let's get to see what it's going to look like at the end. So let me go ahead now to paste all of this. So let me tap on the first option, Bybit UID. So let me paste it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my Bybit UID. So let me go over to the second requirement, which is my Hamster Kombat deposit address. So let me go ahead now to paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my Hamster Kombat deposit address. So let's go over to the last option, which is memo, my Hamster Kombat deposit memo. Let me tap on it and let me go ahead now to paste it real quick. Let me paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my Bybit UID, my Hamster Kombat deposit address and memo. So what I have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see save and choose. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. But before I go ahead now to tap on save and choose, you can see what's written below it. After choosing, you cannot change withdrawal option. So guys, that's a very important information, and that's why you have to impute the right and the correct details right here. So guys, what you have to do is to make sure you go over to the description or over to the comment section, tap on those links that will direct you to the videos on how you can actually get all of this information, all of these requirements, so that you can get it the right way. So guys, it's important. So guys, now after that, what you have to do now is to tap on save and choose. So let me go ahead now to tap on it so we can see what it's going to look like in the next page. Let's tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading, request processing. So guys, now it's loading. Wow guys, can see we have successfully linked our Bybit account to our Hamster Kombat mining bot. So we are going to be receiving our Hamster Kombat token during the distribution and airdrop day. So guys, now you can see what's written there, well done. stay tuned with updates. So guys, what I'll do now is to tap on thanks. So let me tap on thanks right away. Let's see what the next page is going to look like. So guys, now you can see that good right there. You can see where the arrow is pointing. You can see that mark right there. That's showing that I've actually successfully linked my Bybit account to my Hamster Kombat mining bot. So let me go back now to show you guys what is going to look back here. So guys, now you can see what's written here as well. You can see that good right there. It has been marked good. That's to show that I've successfully selected Bybit as my withdrawal option. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. It has been ticked good. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can claim and withdraw your Hamster Kombat token successfully into your Bybit account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.